Hi everybody, it's Josh here from JDG Estate Agents, and this week's 60-second property investment video comes from Hampsfell Drive in the Westgate area of Morecambe. Now this one is a bit of a project for you landlords out there, but with some work put into it, you can make a fantastic yield. This is a spacious and 2-bedroom first floor apartment. It needs a little bit of cosmetic work, but would make a great let and tenants would be interested in living here. Could do with new carpets and decor throughout, and ideally a new kitchen and a new bathroom to attract those decent high quality tenants. It's currently on the market for £80,000, and we reckon with an investment of around about £15,000 into doing it up, which is a generous budget, you could see incomes of £525 per calendar month, which would bring you in £6,300 per year, which is a fantastic 6.6% gross return on your investment. But if you do fancy having a look, do give us a call on 01524 843322, or you can drop me an email. It's josh@jdg.co.uk. Thank you very much. Bye.